Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet G50 Motorhome, a vehicle that promises to redefine your travel experiences by combining Chevrolet's renowned performance with the comforts of home. Under the hood, the G50 is equipped with a robust 6.6-liter V8 engine, delivering approximately 350 horsepower and 400 lb-ff of torque. This power ensures smooth highway cruising and the capability to handle various terrains. For those seeking enhanced fuel efficiency, an optional V6 hybrid engine is available, offering a balance between performance and economy. Stepping inside, the G50 welcomes you with a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. The living area features plush leather seating, providing a comfortable space to relax after a day of travel. The fully equipped kitchen boasts modern appliances, including a stove, microwave, refrigerator, and sink, allowing you to prepare meals just like at home. The motorhome also includes a full bathroom with a shower, sink, and toilet, ensuring all the conveniences you need on the road. Staying connected is effortless with the G50's advanced technology suite. The large touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless smartphone integration, keeping navigation, music, and hands-free calls at your fingertips. Additionally, multiple USB ports and power outlets are strategically placed throughout the cabin to keep your devices charged and ready. One of the standout features of the G50 is its off-road capability. Built on a heavy-duty truck platform, it comes with high ground clearance and an advanced suspension system, allowing you to venture off the beaten path with confidence. The optional solar panels and outdoor kitchen further enhance its appeal for those looking to embrace the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort. The 2025 Chevrolet G50 Motorhome starts at approximately $80,000 in the United States. Prices may vary based on selected options and regional factors. For our viewers in Pakistan, the estimated price is around PKR 22148,000, though this can fluctuate with exchange rates and local taxes. The Chevrolet G50 Motorhome offers a compelling blend of power, comfort, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both weekend adventurers and long-term travelers. Its combination of advanced technology, luxurious amenities, and rugged capability sets it apart in the motorhome market. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Chevrolet G50 Motorhome. Stay tuned to Auto Insider for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates in the automotive world.